If you're a real estate agent, one of your biggest challenges is following up with your leads to convert them into clients. And if you're using GoHighLevel or you're thinking about GoHighLevel and you want to see exactly how a real estate agent and investor sets up tracking for clients, follow-ups, commission monitoring, all in one place, then stay tuned, because we're going to show you exactly how we've got our GoHighLevel platform set up and how you can get it for $100 a month. Now, most real estate agents know that 78% of home buyers usually pick the first agent that they interview, not because they're experienced, not because they've got more skills, but usually because they are the first one to respond. Some real estate agents respond within 15 seconds, either by text, email, or phone calls. Others just check their inbox whenever they get a chance. Who do you think is going to win the client, and which one are you? Last week at the closing table, my closing attorney told me, I've got 3 of your contracts sitting on my desk, and you told me that you've got 1 more on the way. But I've got other real estate agents that are coming in here complaining about how slow the market is. It's the same market, the same interest rates, the same inventory, but different strategies and different systems. Hey guys, I'm Chris Tillman, the real estate problem solver from Middle Georgia. I'm brokered with eXp Realty under the Wolfpack. So if you're interested in partnering with me, give me a call and we can sit down and come up with a game plan to help you become a more successful real estate agent. I've got over 20 years as a real estate investor, buying my own houses, rehabbing my own houses, doing creative deal structuring, and setting up systems that conform to real estate agents and investors alike. If you know anything about GoHighLevel, it's extremely customizable, and we've set up a system that works best for real estate agents and how you can get a snapshot of it for yourself. So let's get busy. So like I said, I'm a real estate agent and investor with eXp under the Wolfpack with Mike Sherrard out of Canada. Now, I learned a lot of things about social media marketing from Mike Sherrard, but a lot of that stuff doesn't do any good unless you've got systems to implement this stuff. Otherwise, you end up spending 8 to 10 hours a day just doing social media, just doing marketing, and then you don't have time for the money-making tasks like going on appointments, listing houses, meeting with buyers, or creative deal structurings with investors. And before, I was spending almost $500 or $600 a month on different tools and different platforms that never talk to each other. Had one for texting, one for booking calls, one for nurturing campaigns. But now with the GoHighLevel system that I've got customized, I've got the ability to put everything all together into one complete platform. Now, I'm going to go off script here real quick and be honest with you. I'm as cheap as the next guy. I don't want to spend a whole lot of money on marketing, and there's a lot of free tools out there. And the one thing that I love about GoHighLevel is that it's got a lot of the social media marketing and AI platforms already built into it. So I can put everything into GoHighLevel, and I can put my time towards doing the money-making tasks that keeps my business running. So let's go in and show you exactly what it is I'm doing and how I've got it set up, and see if this is a platform that's going to help you double your business. All right, so here we are in GoHighLevel. Now, I will go ahead and tell you that I started out in KV Core with eXp Realty, but KV Core got changed over to Bold Trail, and it's still a really good platform. But like I said, I am more into doing online marketing and direct mail, and the online marketing side just seems to work a little bit better in GoHighLevel. It's got more features and it's got more amenities that help me set up online platform posts, contents, blogs, and it comes with its own website, so I can put my own content in here. And unlike Bold Trail, I can actually customize my website a whole lot more in GoHighLevel than I could in Bold Trail. So I was able to take my old website, move it to GoHighLevel. I've pretty much done away with my Bold Trail website. I keep it out there for ranking and content, but I don't really push it that hard. So my GoHighLevel website is my main website. If you go over here to click to switch, now you see I've got 3 different companies. I've got my agent attraction, I've got my wife's rental property management, and then I've got real estate problem solver, which is my agent platform. So let's first go through the nurturing side of it. We're going to go into contacts. All right, so now in contacts, this is where all your leads are going to be put. And you can take all, like it sits right here, or you can do a smart list and whittle down and filter all these names to specifics. You can have foreclosure leads, you can have general list, you can have probates, you can have active leads, you can have just buyers, just sellers, or if you've got a listing, you can also put in a smart list for all the agents that you work with. So when you've got a listing, you can do an email blast out to them and say, hey, I've got a new listing. If you've got any buyers, bring them to me and we'll get this thing sold. Now, another feature that I really like about this setup is when I've got platforms that bring me leads, and yes, I pay for lead platforms. A lot of people do. I try not to. I'm still in the conversion part of getting more organic leads, and it seems to be working, but I'm still paying for lead platforms. Some of these lead platforms I can integrate into GoHighLevel, so when the lead comes into the platform, it automatically gets picked up by Zapier. Zapier turns around and puts it into GoHighLevel, and it gets tagged. Now, the way I've got my automation set up is between the type of lead it is, the status of the lead, and the tag that gets put on it, it gets put into a nurture campaign, and they instantly get sent a text message, an email, and a voicemail call. All right, so let's move down here to automation. So this is where the automation, this is where the magic happens. One of my favorite places to go is the smart campaigns. Now, most of these were set up by my mentor. A lot of these I set up myself. So let's go into a basic buyer campaign. All right, so inside the buyer campaign, like I said, we've got contacts created, or if there's contacts that I've changed to a buyer, these are the triggers. A created contact, it's a new lead, it's a buyer, it automatically goes into the opportunity. The opportunity sets up task schedules that come to my phone, and it texts me and says, hey, you've got a buyer you need to reach out to. And that instantly reminds me to reach out to these people. In the meantime, if I don't, then I've got a call lead day one. That reminds me to call them. There's another feature in GoHighLevel that we've just gotten finished up setting up. That's a voice drop. What that means is it automatically sends a pre-recorded message in my voice that I recorded, and it drops right into their voicemail. So if they're busy, they'll check the voicemail a little bit later on, and they'll hear that I called them. Then I wait 3 minutes, it sends a text message. Wait 30 minutes, it sends an email. So this is going to hit them in all 3 points sometime in the first hour that they call. So this is going to touch them at least 3 times in the first hour that their lead comes into the platform. And then it continues on. This campaign actually goes on for about 6 months to a year, and it keeps touching them. Now, here's another trick. Let's go back. All right, so now let's look at opportunities. Now, another good thing about GoHighLevel is it monitors the text messages for the phone number. Now, remember this, the phone number that I have tied to this platform is my business phone number. If somebody responds to a text message, or if somebody responds to a email, of course, it's my email, so it goes to my email platform, but GoHighLevel also picks it up and records it for that contact. So every conversation that I have with that lead is recorded in the transcripts for that particular lead. Now, every lead that comes in is going to be a new lead, of course, but once they respond, then they come over to active leads. That means that they have made contact with me, or I have made contact with them. It can either switch over automatically, or I can manually switch it over to an active lead. And that means these people I'm actually had a conversation with. And then, of course, I've got a new section in here that we just added, contacted, no response. These are people that I've reached out to, and they haven't responded yet. And then this pipeline goes from booked, appointment attended, no show, converted, or not ready yet, which I've got a few that I'm keeping up with. Also, in the opportunity section, I've got pipelines for my buyers. Under the buyer pipeline, we've got a section, once I get them signed up as a buyer's agent, Then I got them showing houses, submitting offers, under contract, clear to close, or not moving forward. And then the same thing under opportunities, we've got the seller's pipeline. Seller's pipeline is the same thing. Once I sign them up as a listing, I've got my listing prep. I've got my active listings. I've got my under contract, clear to close, or not moving forward, as the case may be. Now, another good thing that I love about this is, remember the tasks that I was telling you about? Well, each time this goes into an active listing or under contract or clear to close, it triggers a list of tasks that comes to my task list, and it reminds me I need to put the key box on the door, I need to put the sign in the yard, I need to put it on the MLS, I need to put it on social media, I need to make flyers. It gives me a whole list of things that I need to do for each of these steps. So I've got a whole list of everything that needs to be done, and I don't forget how to take care of my clients like I'm supposed to. Now, since we're talking about tasks, let's go back to contacts, because that's where the tasks are. We go up here to tasks, and here is my whole list of tasks that need to be done. I've got things that are coming up in the future. I've got things that are due today. And of course, I've got things that are due from last week that I haven't gotten done yet. And I've got to update this. But what it does is it keeps track of all the people that have tasks that need to be done. So let's go through a little scenario of first thing in the morning, first thing that I do, and then how I go through my setup. Usually the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my conversations. Remember, I told you that if any responses come in from a text or an email or even a phone call to my company phone number, it will get recorded based on the phone number that's being used. If it knows who it is, it will record it under that lead. So I come in here, and Monday morning, I'm going to check all my conversations, and I'm going to see who responded to any of my campaign nurtures. And then those are the top people that I'm going to address. Some of them say stop, they don't want me to talk to them, it was a bad lead, no harm, no foul. And then some of them were phone calls where they tried to call me and I either wasn't able to answer, or I did have a conversation and the system recorded it. So that feature in itself is great for you to stay on top of what's going on with that particular client. Once I go through all my conversations for that, for the weekend or for the previous day, then again, I go through my opportunities. These are my active people, sellers, buyers, leads, and I go through them and I update all my active leads, all my new leads, and I update all this to make sure that I'm on top of the people that are ready, willing, and able to do business with me. And then from there, we go to the contacts and see what contacts have come in or what contacts have made first contact with me that did not get an opportunity set. And then I go through them and find out who they are, what they are, and this is when I start doing my cold or warm calling, as the case may be. Now, I told you that GoHighLevel has its own website set up. Well, here it is. All you do is just go to your websites. I've got one website for this platform. Now, I showed you that I had 3 businesses. Each business has its own website. And then I go in and it shows all the pages. And like I said, this one is a little bit better than Bold Trail because it allows me to customize every single part of the website. I can move content boxes, I can change out media, I can change out content, I can add buttons, I can add schedule, I can book a call. Anything that goes through here where they opt into a form of mine, it automatically goes to my email and it captures their information and it takes it back to contacts and it sends up a task message for me to reach out to them. And if I'm not getting enough leads and I need to do some heavy marketing, I've got a marketing task right here. The marketing platform has a full planner, has contents, which I'm not using right now because I've got a third party still doing it. I love what they do, so if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But you can create new posts and new content, and you can specify it goes to Facebook, it goes to Instagram, it goes to LinkedIn, it doesn't matter. You can link all your social media into here. You can schedule new posts, you can schedule content, you can even YouTube. I've got a YouTube channel, so I'll set it up in here to do contact posts or schedule to send out a post with a link to my latest videos. And this will I can set this up for the entire month all in one shot. Now, I told you that the Nurture campaign has a voice drop where you can record pre-recorded messages that goes directly to your lead's voicemail and they can listen to it at their leisure. We also are working on getting an automated system to answer phone calls. Now, I know you've been on YouTube, you've seen these videos where they've got an AI having full conversation with leads, converting them, booking calls, and booking appointments for the prospect. We've actually got that in the works as well. So soon we're going to be having an AI answering your phone calls, talking for you, and you can even train it to talk just like you, talk in your own terms. So if you're Southern like me and you like to say things like right half into or y'all to, then you can put that in there and train it to talk just like you do and make it 100% human authentic. So that's going to be coming out soon, and as soon as it does, I'll definitely let you know. But in the meantime, you can see how GoHighLevel has got a all-in-one setup that can do just about everything you need to do and take most of your marketing off your plate so you can concentrate on the active leads that you're actually making money with. So if you're interested in getting your own snapshot of a custom investor and real estate agent friendly version of GoHighLevel, and you want to partner with me, reach out to me and we'll come up with a game plan to help your business go as smooth as possible. And I'll talk to you on the next video.